Good morning. It's too early again. Today's gonna be a very slow day. I gotta try to figure this all out. We're gonna put the rafter. They're gonna put the beam up right across there. That's two, and then so about two by 4 by 16. We're gonna glue them and screw them together. So then it'd be basically a 4 by 4 going across there. So I got 16 feet. That deck, if I remember right, is 12 feet. And then the beam that I put back there is 14 feet. So it's gonna be 14 feet with a foot overhang here and a foot overhang there. That was the plan. And then yesterday or last week or whatever, I realized that I centered the beam with the door, but the deck is not centered with the door. It's just put up there. So the overhang's really going to be on that side, with this basically being flush or almost flush. We'll find out. So whoops. Oh well, it'll look fine. I want it to be symmetrical, but it's not going to be symmetrical. So that part of me is just gonna have to die on this one. So basically I want to double check the measurements for that, and then double check the measurements for that, and then the difficult part is figuring out where to start. Do I start over here on the shady side? Do I start there? I'm probably going to start on the easy side, because I've got to figure out the, then I got to measure from top to bottom there, and then top to bottom there to find the angle. I had to pause there for a second because I know I have the deck sloping just a little bit, so like it's math. So basically it's gonna be slow, just trying to get this started, and then once we get it started, once we get that beam up and we get the first piece in, it should just go plop, 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 plop. And I want to get that sketchy side done. And then I bought them to be, I think the deck is 8 foot out, and I bought 10 footers. So I thought, oh, we'll do 2 feet out here. But then I was thinking, how the heck am I going to go 2 feet out? And I don't know what the board's called, the fascia board or whatever, and attach that up there. Because I just have a ladder. I don't have a lift, and I don't have an A-frame big enough. So lots of Tetris got to go on here. I'm not really sure what's going to happen, but I keep looking down here, but I'm up here. It's weird, but we'll figure it out. Like I said, today's going to be kind of a slow day, but we'll get it all figured out. All right. Looks like the phone, the app or something malfunctioned and nothing was recorded. I'll show you what we did. We got the rafters up. I guess that's rafters, whatever it's called. We got those things up. You know me in English, we don't get along. And then we started going the cross pieces up there. It's a little tricky, but we got it all figured out. Kind of got it set up for next week. May do some work on it tomorrow, just to put the rest of those things up. I can kind of do that on my own. Plop, 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 plop. But yeah, it's coming along. All right, I guess that's the end of the video. I mean, that's the whole video, just me talking and looking here and looking there and looking here and looking there. That's hot.